Hello guys, good evening, good afternoon, and welcome to my tutorial. And in this tutorial guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can get no copyright images from Google. So I'm going to be showing you it's very possible. Now let's assume you are a book writer now and you want to get a book, a picture from Google, and you are scared, but I'm going to be showing you guys a simple way how you can get your no copyright image on Google. Now to do that, let's assume you're writing a book on weight loss now and you search for weight loss, or you're writing a book on yoga. Okay, let's use yoga, and you search for yoga. So if you go to Google and search for yoga, so just click on your images. So once you click on images, you're going to be seeing a lot of images. Some of these images are seen here have copyright, so they have copyright. So to avoid having issues with your books, maybe where you're uploading your book like Amazon or any other sites, mostly Amazon. So to avoid issues, copyright issues, what you have to just do is to go to this section you are seeing here, which is called the tools section. Click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to be seeing different things you are seeing here. So this section here, you can change what you want. So but the thing basically you will need here is this place, which is this usage rights. Now this usage rights, we have Creative Commons licenses, we have commercial and other licenses. So now what you have to just do is to click on these Creative Commons licenses. What does it mean? It means that you are going to be having rights to those images. So let's click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to be seeing images you have rights to. Now all these images have they are licensable in the sense that you can use them in your books for commercial purposes. Now but if you see all these things, you're still going to check if it is still legit to use. Now what you have to just do is to click on one of the images, so you can use it in your book, but click on this thing you are seeing, license details. So once you click on the license details option, you're going to be seeing something here. Now this license details options, you can see all the things you can do with these images. I think it's in another language. Okay, let's try another one. So let's try this one. So let's click on license details. So let's click on so once you click on license details, can you see it said notice? So you are free to share, adapt, then under the following terms, attribution. So it's not fully licensable, meaning that you are some things you must not do with it. Okay, let's go to another one. So let's go to another image like something like this and check the license details. Okay, can you see this one now? It's saying no copyright. So in the sense that you can use this book for commercial purposes. You understand? Commercial purposes in the sense that you can sell any book you write and use this image on, you can sell the book. So it has no copyright. So that's how to get. So let me just do one more example. Let's use weight loss. So it's the same thing on your mobile phone also, just follow the same process. So now if you look at the weight loss now, let's select one image, but first of all let's filter it first by going to our tools, then going to Creative Commons licenses, then click on one image here. Let's just select one image. So let's select this image now, then click on license details. Can you see this one has, you are free to share, it's not that fully licensable, so it has a lot of things under it. So let's just leave this one and go to another one. Let's try something else. Okay, let's try this one. I'll check the license details. When you see this one, no copyright. Always make sure the write no copyright, so to avoid issues with your Amazon and any other accounts you are using. So that's how to find no copyright images on Google. So guys, if you find this video educative and you still want to learn more on how to make money online and also use some certain number of tools like AI tools and any other tools online, so guys, please subscribe to this channel and share these videos to anyone you feel that needs this video. So love you guys, till we meet in our next video. Thanks.